Hi, fourth graders. It is me, Mrs. DeGracie. In case you forgot what I look like, here I am in my living room. I'm hanging out with Finn here. Yep, he's just scratching away. I hope you're all doing okay. I miss you guys very much. I know this is a little weird, but I'm coming on here because I want to make an announcement because I want all of us to hang out together on Monday, the first day of your spring break, on March 23rd, if you're around at 9 in the morning. If you're not around, please don't worry. I know it's our spring break, but I wanted to do this before we start our official day of distance learning, which is going to be on the 30th. So, on Monday, March 23rd at 9 o'clock, if you're available, I want us all to get on Google Meet or Google Hang, so we can have a little chat before we get started with our distance learning. And this video, this announcement, is kind of going to walk you through how to get there, okay? I'm new at it, never really done it before, so we're going to kind of learn together. Was that mouse thing in my face the whole time? It probably was. Well, whatever. We're going to learn together. If we make a mistake, no worries, okay? But what this little tutorial is going to do, it's going to show you how to get to your Google Hangs link, and then you'll be able to get into our Google Hangout, okay? Or Google Meets, I think that's what they call it. So, the first thing you're going to have to do, okay, is you're going to have to go to our distance learning classroom, all right? I noticed that only 18 people right now have joined. So if you notice that a friend hasn't joined, please reach out to them and say, hey, make sure you join Mrs. DeGracie's distance learning class, because that's where we're going to be doing all of our distance learning starting on the 30th. So you're going to click on that classroom, and then you're going to notice that there's a new kind of assignment. It says Google Meets Hang. You're going to click on that. Okay. No one has signed in. Okay, no one has assigned it yet. But what you're going to get is you are going to get a link. Okay, you're going to get a link. Let me just go back. Okay, you're going to get a link. Okay, and you'll see it under classwork. Actually, that's probably where you should go, under announcements. Okay, so you go under classwork. I'm sorry, you go under classwork, announcements. That's where I'm going to make all of the announcements for our lessons, if we have any, so make sure you check them. And you will see a link. I don't have it here yet because I don't want anyone going on it sooner than Monday, but you will click on the link that I give you, and that should take you to something that looks like, let me just show you here. Something that kind of looks like, it's going to take forever. Something that kind of looks like this screen. Okay, you'll join our Google Meet, okay, with that link. Now, on Monday the 23rd, when we're going to meet at 9 a.m., I would maybe log in a few minutes early, because you might have to adjust some of your settings on your Chromebook to make sure that you're all set up, ready to go. Okay? But it's that simple. You will see the link if you go on Google Classroom, okay, your distance learning class. You're going to click on classwork. You'll see the topic of announcements, and where it says Google Meets Hang, okay, that is going to have your link. All right, I will add that link on Monday morning, right before our meet. Okay, this is the same place where you're going to watch this video. So you're going to watch this video, and then on Monday, you'll go back to this video and you'll see a link as well. All right, so I'm really excited to see all of you, to hear from you, just want to know how you're doing, what you've been up to, and I think it'll be a nice way for us to all get together before we start school on the 30th. So, I can't wait to talk to all of you. I think you're going to watch this video tomorrow around noon. I'll have it posted. And like I said, yeah, I can't wait to see all of you, talk to as many of you as I can, and we'll get all this started. All right, just remember again, I do really miss you guys. I wish we were in school together, but we're going to make the best of it that we can, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.